Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Are you tired of living in a messy space? What if I told you there's a game changer? The JMvicyroam Large Woven Laundry Basket Hamper is here to revolutionize your home organization. This extra large capacity hamper is a total space saver. Imagine being able to store all your clothes, toys, and throws in one place. It's like having a breath of fresh air in your living room or bedroom. This handmade woven hamper is not only stylish but also durable. The soft and woven material is gentle on your hands and the floor, and the best part, it's fully machine washable, so you don't have to worry about it getting dirty. Just throw it in the washing machine and it's good as new. The portable collapsible design is a total winner. It folds up to just 4 inches thick, so you can easily store it under your bed or sofa, and when you need it again, just fill it with some soft items or use a warm steam iron to get it back to its original shape. Many customers have fallen in love with this product, and it's clear why. The sturdy handles make it easy to carry, even when it's full of laundry, and the woven material ensures no sharp edges, so you don't have to worry about scratching your floors. This hamper is not just functional, it's also a great addition to your home decor. The stylish and minimalist design adds a touch of sophistication to any room, and it's so versatile. You can use it to store blankets, toys, or even as a laundry basket. The possibilities are endless. So why settle for a boring, flimsy hamper when you can have a premium, durable one that will make your life easier? The JMvicyroam Large Woven Laundry Basket Hamper is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their home organization. Trust me, you won't regret it. It's a total as always. Links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.